iOS 26.4 dropped last week with new features for Apple Music and podcasts, but it's also made iCloud on the web more useful than ever. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech news. Most major tech companies like Google services often keep the web access on top, with app versions typically becoming secondary priorities, whereas Apple always prioritized apps on its platform and rarely offered web versions. But that too lagged behind. This makes sense since the average person using an Apple service is highly likely to do so on an Apple device. And on Apple devices, native apps offer the best user experience. But in iOS 26.4, Apple has upgraded its iCloud.com with a search feature to look for your files and photos. This feature is off by default, but it can be enabled if you want to search for files in iCloud Drive or photos in iCloud Photos via web. Just search it with file names, folder names, and document types for iCloud Drive and dates, people, and locations for iCloud Photos. But don't worry, your searches will remain encrypted and use on-device processing only, so no search history goes out. Apple's previously offered search in the Files and Photos iOS apps, but now you can get a full search experience on iCloud.com as well. To enable file and photo search on iCloud.com, open Settings on your iPhone and tap your name at the top. Then tap iCloud, scroll down and hit iCloud.com. Toggle Allow Search on and confirm Allow on the pop-up. This had to be done on each device you want search results from to iCloud.com. But if your device is all synced, just enabling the toggle once on your iPhone will suffice. Plus, anyone with an all-Apple setup probably still won't need to use iCloud.com very often. But if you work on Windows or Android devices regularly, this new feature is going to save you so much time. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.